Hello everyone. In this video, we'll do one problem on logarithms. Question is, the value of logarithm of 0.0001 to the base 0.1 is what? Means we are supposed to find what is log of 0.0001 to the base 0.1. So now this can be expressed as, there is one more thing which we can understand. Log of the base b can be written as log a divided by log b with a common base, let us say c. We will be using that here. So I can write this as logarithm of 0.0001 divided by logarithm of 0.1. Let me have a common base 10. Generally, if nothing is specified in the logarithm, it is considered to be of base 10. Right. Now, this 0.0001 can be written as 1 over 10,000. This one can be written as 1 by 10. Further, this numerator can be written as 1 by 10 to the power of 4. I can write, because 10 to the power of 4. This one I can write it as 10 to the power of minus 1. Again, this can be rewritten as 10 to the power of minus 4 when I take it to numerator. Now this can be written as, using the power rule, 4 times log 10 to the base 10. This is minus 1 times log 10 to the base 10. So this gets cancelled with this. You have minus 4 by minus 1, which is 4. So the answer for this is 4. That is one way of doing it. There is another way also, alternative way. I can consider this logarithm of 0.0001 to the base 0.1 as x. Now let us understand what do we mean by exponential expression. We all know that 2 to the power of 4 is 16. This we call it as exponential expression. Suppose if I want to express this in logarithmic way or logarithmic expression, if I have to write for the same thing, which is written in exponential form, if I want to write it in logarithm, then I have to write it as 4 is equal to logarithm of 16 to the base 2. So I can write like this. Same thing, means this is a way we can write. So we may notice this 2 in exponential expression is called base, and this 4 is called as power. Here this 2 is the base only, and 16 we are going to find out the logarithm. The result is 4. So whatever was power, that becomes the result in a logarithmic expression. So this can be written as the base to the power of x, means 0.1 to the power of x is 0.0001. Now I can rewrite it as 0.1 to the power of x, which is equal to 0.1 to the power of 4. Why I wrote like this? Because if I multiply 0.1 4 times, I will have 4 decimals. That is what is the result. That is why x is equal to 4. This implies x is 4 because base is common. I can write it as this. So there are, you can use any way, this way or this way, to solve this particular problem, right? In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.